We are on our way to Altona. I'm letting my friends and family know because I don't know if I'm going to make it back. I mean, I'm letting my family know because I don't have any friends. So. Hey, hello, bonjour. My name is S.h.e.r.i.s.s and welcome to my channel. And in today's video, we drive through one of the worst storms of 2023 in Manitoba, Canada. So come with us and enjoy the ride because it's a stressful one. All right, here we go into the death trap right there. Silent Hill.
Nice, there's no curves.
It looks better on my phone though, like the outside.
Oh yeah?
Well,
no!
Sorry. I gained like 5 pounds, so I feel real chubby.
So you're just chubby.
Yeah, I feel just super chubby right
Chubby
now.
guy. Oh yeah, wait, where's that?
Oh god, there's a semi.
Cars, right?
Right over the bridge. Just has to be by the bridge. But first, we went grocery shopping at Co-op and then went to the Dolphin and then ate a Subway. Yeah, you know. Okay, we are going on the road again. Woo. Wow. Oh god. Okay. Trust me, it gets worse. Much worse. But anyway, me and my little family, we live in Southern Manitoba, and as beautiful and wonderful as it is, it has its challenges. A challenge that you may or may not have experienced, but that is being caught in a snowstorm. Could be a snowstorm, could be a rainstorm, whatever. If you're country, you will get caught in one of these storms. But city people, you're hardly ever alone. Country people, we can get stranded for hours. And that can be very dangerous, especially for the vulnerable individuals. Luckily, we made it home after 2.5 hours of crawling back from the store. That normally takes 15 minutes. And I really don't want to do this again. I can't see anything. I can't see anything.
Oh, I see.
One of the tricks that we used while traveling in this storm was we used our vehicle camera to guide us home, or else we would have been sitting in the ditch like those other cars that we've seen in the ditch trying to get home. Stay home if you must. This guy's staying there. He doesn't want to go anywhere. That guy right there. Anyway. Okay. Here we go. 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 I honestly have never seen so much semi-trucks at that truck stop before.
Where am I?
Megan's back. Well, that was horrible. We did go for a ride quickly to check if my mom would be able to make it home, like if the other side of the reserve was better, but it was not. She ended up staying and not traveling this kind of weather, you know. But this is truly Manitoba weather. Yep, fun. But anyway, thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye!